Teacher tell all in a row. Dirty drunk crowd. Whoa.
Well, going up all this was today, but it's going to be on Facebook Drama Queen. You got it right. It's Amari, although she was invited into it in a slick way. And now I'm about to give my take on Macka Diamond and the song anyway. So in the song Dog Done, that's Macka Diamond this to Pretty Don. Macka Diamond mentioned that Pretty Don rub crutches with Amari, and that come from when Pretty Don and Amari kick off from the little frying egg thing, and you know, from them time there, and then they go on lava, chat and laugh, and you know, Pretty Don and Amari did at it. So anyway, this is what Amari has to say.
I don't understand how you and Pretty Don argue and you have to put me in your song. Macka, that's the best you can do though. You're in the industry for so long. And that's the best you could have this a girl. You couldn't do better than that. Wait till my tongue get better, man. Now I go put it up under your pum pum. So you better make sure your blood clot flush it out, steam it out. Cause you can't anger me. A rascal. Me no name Pretty Don, you know. Don't fuck with me. Don't fuck with me. Just wait till my tongue get better, man. Eh? Big crutches, girl. You gotta open up that blood clot. Yeah? Let me push a stick up in her head.